Planning for retirement can feel overwhelming. You've probably heard about 401(k)s, HSAs, and IRAs, but do you actually know how IRAs work and which type is best for you? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down one of the most important retirement tools out there, IRAs, specifically the difference between a traditional IRA and a Roth IRA. Both can help you build serious wealth for retirement, but they work very differently when it comes to taxes. Understanding that difference can save you thousands, or even tens of thousands, of dollars over your lifetime. Let's start with the basics. What is an IRA? An IRA, individual retirement account, is a special type of account designed to help you save for retirement with big tax advantages. There are two main types, traditional and Roth. Traditional IRA. With a traditional IRA, you contribute money before it gets taxed, pre-tax dollars. This lowers your taxable income right now, which can mean a smaller tax bill this year. Your money grows tax-deferred inside the account. You don't pay taxes on the growth until you start taking money out in retirement. At that point, withdrawals are taxed as regular income. Roth IRA. With a Roth IRA, you contribute money after you've already paid taxes on it, post-tax dollars. You don't get a tax break up front. But here's the big advantage. Your money grows completely tax-free, and you can withdraw both your contributions and all the earnings tax-free in retirement. Key differences at a glance. Feature. Traditional IRA. Roth IRA. When you pay taxes. On withdrawal in retirement. When you contribute now. Tax break. Upfront. Lowers taxable income. Tax-free growth and withdrawals. Best if you expect to be in a lower tax bracket in retirement. You expect to be in a higher tax bracket in retirement. Early withdrawals. Penalties plus taxes. Usually. Contributions, not earnings, can be withdrawn penalty-free after 5 years. Required minimum distributions, RMDs. Yes, must start withdrawing at a certain age. No RMDs. Income limits to contribute. None. Yes, income limits apply. Early withdrawals. The general rule for both accounts is that you should wait until age 59 and a half to withdraw money without penalties. However, Roth IRAs are more flexible. Because you already paid taxes on your contributions, you can withdraw your original contributions, not the earnings, at any time penalty-free after the account has been open for 5 years. This makes a Roth IRA useful as a backup emergency fund in some cases, though we still recommend keeping a separate high-yield savings account for emergencies. With a traditional IRA, early withdrawals usually trigger income taxes plus a 10% penalty. Required minimum distributions, RMDs. Traditional IRAs require you to start taking money out at a certain age, currently 73 as of 2026. This is because the government wants to tax that money eventually. Roth IRAs have no RMDs during your lifetime. You can let the money keep growing tax-free as long as you want and pass it on to your heirs. Income limits and contribution rules. Traditional IRA. Anyone with earned income can contribute, but the tax deduction may be limited based on your income and whether you have a workplace retirement plan. Roth IRA. There are income limits. If you earn too much, you can't contribute directly, though there are workarounds like backdoor Roths. As of recent years, the annual contribution limit is $7,000, plus an extra $1,000 catch-up contribution if you're 50 or older. The limit is the same for both traditional and Roth IRAs. Which one should you choose? It all comes down to one key question. Do you think your tax rate will be higher or lower in retirement? If you're in a high tax bracket now and expect to be in a lower bracket in retirement, traditional IRA is usually better. Take the tax break now. If you're in a lower or moderate tax bracket now and expect taxes to be higher later, or you want tax-free income in retirement, Roth IRA is often the smarter choice. If you want maximum flexibility and no forced withdrawals, Roth IRA wins. Many people even do a mix of both to hedge their bets. Both traditional and Roth IRAs are powerful tools. The most important thing isn't which one you pick. It's that you start contributing as early as possible. The longer your money has to grow with tax advantages, the more powerful compounding becomes. If this video helped clear up the difference between traditional and Roth IRAs, hit that like button and subscribe for more straightforward retirement and money content. Drop a comment below. Do you have a traditional IRA, Roth IRA, or both? Which one are you leaning toward and why? Your future self will thank you for making smart moves with your retirement accounts today. I'll see you in the next video.